Hi there, welcome to Lad Mix Farm channel. It's Arthur here. Today we want to look at why it is important to paint your avocado tree. As you may be aware, avocado trees are very fragile, especially when they are still young, and so we need to find ways of protecting it from all sorts of harm. And in this case, we paint the stems and also a few branches that are exposed. Why? This is to make sure that we protect the stem from intense heat. In the tropics, as you may be aware, we have a lot of heat and sometimes can end up scourging the stems. And if it damages the stem, then definitely the tree will not perform well, can end up drying or rotting or something. So we get the water-based paint, but in so doing, for instance, we mix it in the ratio of 1:1. We get, say, a liter of water-based paint and then add in a liter of water, and then make sure that you stir it very well, and then be able to apply on the stems. It is advisable to actually have this part of the tree always white. So if you see it maybe washing off over time, you need to redo it and make sure that the tree is healthy and well protected. White deflects light, sunlight, and therefore will not be able to create a lot of harm to this particular tree. It will then be able to grow healthy, as you may see, and give us fruit in the long run. In mixing this paint, we also try to bring in the antifungal, treatment. We bring in antifungal because we also want to make sure that we prevent this tree from acquiring certain fungal infections that normally, attacks them in the gardens. So you bring in, we mix in a fungicide, in this case, say Nodox, basing on the prescription, and be able to mix it in the paint and then be able to apply it once. There we are sure that on top of securing the tree from intense heat, but we are also treating it from any fungal infection that may arise. And it is very important to, maintain this practice in our orchards, to be able to generate and have good trees that are healthy. So as we continue, with this venture of avocado farming, let us ensure to try and bring in the paint and paint these trees, and then continuously ensure that we are catering for them. This is very key. Thank you so much. Now, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And if you are regular, we are happy to associate with you. And these are experiences that we also learn. We are not the experts. So feel free to give us your comments and suggestions, and also ask questions. There we can interact and make sure that we are supporting one another. Thank you very much.